Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located now in Pine Hall, North Carolina at 3165 US Highway 311 North, Pine Hall, North Carolina 27042. So that is an updated relocation address. We are by appointment only. You can reach me at 828-773-4500. Okay, so let me jump into this. Enough of that. This is a 2019 8411. That's a 8 wide, 4 horse, 11-foot short wall. This is a no slide trailer. So 8411 Lakota, didn't say it was a Lakota, 2019, and this is a Platinum Edition. A couple of things I'll point out with the Platinum Edition. Basically what the dealers do is they add some extra options. So I'm going to point out those extra options. These will be above and beyond a normal Charger Edition. So again, this is a Platinum Charger Lakota 2019 8411 in excellent shape. Honestly, it still smells brand new. One owner, lightly used. So here we go. Power awning is on this side. It does have the cover. That is a Platinum Edition. So cover over the awning. It's got the drops on the rear. White in color. It does have a stainless nose, hydraulic jack, 2 propane tanks, spare, lockable battery box, aluminum. There are no dings on this trailer that I can find. As I'm walking around, I'll just look a little bit harder and point them out, but I haven't seen anything on this trailer whatsoever. As I said, this trailer is in immaculate shape and still smells new. Aluminum wheels. It does have the graphics. I'm pretty positive this is an upgraded 10-gallon hot water heater. So that would probably be a Platinum package item. Upgraded hot water heater to 10-gallon. It does have mangers, 3 doors, 3 manger doors, step up at the escape door, drop windows with bars. This trailer does have a rear ramp. So rear ramp. It does have a blanket bar. Brush box, 4-tier saddle rack bridle hooks. That is a collapsible rear tack. Rear load lights LED. It does have a big slider on the rear door. Horse box is immaculate. There are no issues whatsoever with this horse box. It's in excellent shape. Has added fans, fully lined and insulated, roof vents, padded dividers, lower divider, all of which is in excellent shape. Come up and spin her back around. There's no tears in the rubber in this trailer. I mean, this trailer, like I said, is in excellent shape. I mean, I'm gonna nitpick. It's got some scuffing to the rubber there on the back. Just some scuffing. It's not even torn. It doesn't even look that bad, but I try to point out everything that I can in these trailers. As I said, the padding's in good shape. I mean, it still smells new here in the back of the horse trailer. If you need to haul a 4-wheeler, a side-by-side, or anything like that, this would be a great choice. 4 horse is what you need to get the length to get those items in your trailer. So if you want to multi-use this trailer, 4 horse would work. All right, so as I told you, I don't see anything on this trailer that I need to point out. It does have load lights on either side of the trailer up there above the windows. Those are all LED. Inside outside speakers. Stepping up in the LQ. I like this layout. This is one of the riser wall layouts. It's probably one of the best layouts in the industry for a no slide trailer. So it's got a rear kitchen, cabinets above, 2-burner gas top stove, double sink, microwave. Spinning on around. You've got the bed up against the deck of the trailer, which is where we call the riser wall. Steps up to the bed. Cabinet up above on your left. 2 cabinets straight ahead. Spin around. That couch does make a bed. Spinning all the way around. Stepping up so I can give you a view. Does have a screen door, or pocket screen door. Does have a TV. Does have a big fridge. It's tucked in underneath that cabinet with that TV. I'll show you here in just a minute. You've got a closet here. That TV does have a swing arm and does move. Propane furnace. This trailer does have the command center, so it is touch screen. Touch screen command center. That's how you actually do your air conditioning, your heat, your lights, your awning. And that's actually a ducted AC system. So you've got ducted AC, propane furnace. There's the fridge. So the fridge is tucked in back behind here. Big and open floor space. Bathroom is a great size, has a wardrobe. It does have the fold-up table. It has the octagon shower, walk-through door. And I'll open up this closet. You'll see the command center in here, and that's the actual box. You can set that up as an app on your phone, and you're able to actually start things from your phone. So that is a, I believe, upgraded option on the Platinum. I am not a Lakota dealer. I have sold hundreds of Lakotas, and that's just kind of what I've kind of figured out. I'm not 100% sure, but it makes sense to why these things have these additional items, and they're called a Platinum. All right, fantastic fan. Sink and vanity, pocket door. All right, so again, it's kind of quiet in here. 8411 Lakota Charger, 2019 Platinum Edition, excellent shape. I actually cannot fault this trailer for anything. That's very rare on a used trailer. So, excellent shape. No issues. All right, so stepping out. So to recap, which I kind of just did, but I'll say it one more time. 8411 Charger, Lakota 2019, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You can reach me best at 828-773-4500. We have relocated. Please text or call me with any questions. You guys have a great day.